Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to add screen time limit for applications on iPhone 15 Pro. First of all, you need to open your settings and choose the screen time option. Here you can see your screen time. Tap on the app limits option in the limit usage and tap on the add limit. Here you can choose the required application for limit screen time. Choose the app and tap on the next option. Here you can see the time duration. Set a time duration for your application and tap on the add option on the top right corner. Now the screen time limit is added in the application. By doing this, you can use your iPhone 15 Pro more conveniently. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.